सुनो सुनो सुनो, स्ट्रीट स्पीक सुनाएगा आज लड़कियों के दिल की बात, खोलेगा कुछ ऐसे राज जिसके लिए हर लड़का बेताब। वाह 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 वाह। सो लेट्स गो। How you give sign to a boy that you are interested in him?
Oh God. Just a white smile.
Wild one.
Yeah. Maybe pass a smile
Okay.
and give a eye to eye contact.
Okay, I would not believe in signs and all because I don't know whether it has gone as a misunderstanding or something. I would just go and definitely tell him directly that yes.
Oh my God.
Maybe I'll wink.
Wink. Once more to the camera.
I'm really confused about the sign. I will be waiting for him to, approach.
Even same. I'll wait for him.
This typical answer that boys should start, not us. Yeah.
I'll give a white smile.
Great.
I'll just smile like this.
No, I think the way I will smile at him will be a little different. He'll gauge.
Just a smile.
Just a smile.
Yeah.
Yes, same answer.
Just a smile, nothing else.
Nothing else.
Smile.
Just a smile.
Yeah, just a smile.
I don't need to, I guess, because they normally approach.
I think I would probably smile.
Smile.
Yeah. And then I would act like I don't care.
Okay. Reverse psychology.
Yeah. That works best, I think.
Okay.
Signs that I'm interested. Oh my God. Out of a boy, then maybe twice look, witty look maybe, or maybe talking to a friend and just peeping on, showing that okay, fine.
I don't care.
It's fine. Okay, you're looking at me.
But after that, if the boy is dumb and he don't understand, what will be the level 2?
Oh my God.
That's it then. Then I'm not interested.
Good one.
I think I'll just try to make a random conversation with him, like hi, where you from, or just maybe first thing I'll say, can I sit beside you, or could I ask you for a favor?
Directly you'll
Approach, but in an indirect manner.
Go and approach him
directly.
directly.
Show a bit of an attitude.
Reverse psychology.
Reverse psychology. When you do that, maybe they tend to follow you a little more.
Okay.
Maybe an eye contact.
If he's that dumb, I won't give any. Yeah, I'll say you are rejected. Level 2, I think I will think that he's not of my type because he doesn't understand my sign. So he's not of my type.
So get lost.
Get lost. Yeah. I don't think today's guys are that dumb as. I mean, they are much more smarter than anything in the world.
If you have a boyfriend, he's not at all giving you attention. How do you seek his attention? What you can do for it?
Look at someone else.
Jealousy?
Jealousy.
Best medicine.
Yes.
Oh, he like to eat, so I'll just prepare his favorite food. So I'll impress him by cooking fish.
And you will get his attention.
Yeah.
And not any sexy thing.
No, this will be the better option, I think.
I'll go to some other guy and dance with him or flirt with him. I would do that
Okay, you have done that?
once.
Mine is like my husband wants me to be a stylish. So I will maintain myself so that, he doesn't get bored and he is not getting here and there.
I would be playful.
Like?
Like I would do childish things, petty things that either irritate him or make him laugh. I'll give him surprises.
Okay.
That can extend to maybe hoardings or flowers.
Probably I too don't give him any attention then. That's the best way to do. When I stop giving that, I get it back. I'll tell him the other guy is hitting on me. He's asking me out. Done. Job done.
I'll impress another boy.
Good man. What things turns you on in a boy?
If he smells good.
A very good voice. His attitude. His beautiful eyes.
Physique.
Okay.
I love gym freak people. And my boyfriend is not at all a gym freak person.
So then?
He's cute.
Smile.
Killer smile.
Yeah, killer smile.
Personality.
The badass thing, the haircut. I think the jawline. Yeah, that works really well. If they have a good beard and they have a good face cut, it works really well.
Is order important for you? Sex before marriage, sex after marriage? Does order really matters?
That's a ding 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 question now.
Order, I don't think so. Order matters. Yeah.
No.
Order is not important.
No.
Great.
No, it definitely after marriage. Some things have to be kept after marriage.
Yeah, I feel order may not be that important. Okay. Probably as far as you confide on the person and you trust the person.
After marriage. After. Obviously after.
No. Doesn't matter actually. Doesn't matter.
It's all about the understanding.
Okay.
Now I am already married and arranged marriage. So mine is to after marriage only.
Not wrong before also.
So order is not that
No,
important.
nothing, not wrong.
Not really. If you know the person is nice for you, then it's up to you if you want to go ahead with it or not.
Sex before marriage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Test.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, yeah.
It is necessary, you know.
I got that.
Yeah.
My last question is, okay, you have to order in your priority, okay? Your looks,
Looks, okay.
money,
Okay.
intelligence,
Okay.
and stamina.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Okay, the last one was
First I will choose is intelligence, then looks, then money, and then the last option. Yeah.
First will be looks. Second will be stamina. Okay.
That is important.
Yeah, and third will be. What are the options? Third will be.
Intelligence and
Yeah.
money.
Okay, intelligent, and last will be money.
looks, intelligence, stamina, and then money.
then money.
Correct.
Intelligence, looks, money, stamina.
Stamina is last.
Yeah.
You'll manage.
I'll manage.
Looks, intelligence, stamina, and money.
Good one.
Okay, stamina, intelligence, money, looks.
Looks, because this is the first thing we see and then we approach the person.
Okay.
Then intelligence, money, and then stamina.
Mine will be the intelligence. Okay. So if he is intelligent, he will be far more capable to earn money. So money will come in directly with the intelligent. Yes, a look and a stamina to jelu me also.
Intelligence, money, because it's very important. Once you have a problem in money, everything gets ruined. That is the second option. Looks, no, looks would be last, I think. Stamina and looks would be last.
First look, then intelligent, then money, then
Intelligence, looks, stamina, and money.
No. It's. I think intelligence first, then stamina comes a little later. Looks, yes, then looks, and then probably the stamina, and then the money part of it. That we deal in. So it's okay. Up and down chalta hai. We manage.
So, I hope this video helped you to understand girls' secret language. अगर सीट पिक बनता है आपका Cupid, so don't forget to like this video. और अपने पास मत रखो यार, just share. और उसके बाद कुछ हो तो don't forget to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And don't forget for behind the scene Instagram. Bye bye.
He's my son, my younger son. My elder one is in class 12th, who's appeared for his boards this year, preparing for his JEE now. And, and this is my second son, who's appearing for his 10th board. So we are like busy scheduled with the study schedule. Now I just got him down for MOD quick bite.